Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. My name is Joanne and I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for the County of Hidalgo. Today we have Dori, an MCP member who will teach us how to make a sewing kit organizer. In this project you will need less than 1/4 of a yard of fabric using 2 different contrast fabric, felt, Velcro or snaps, your choice, a decorative button, optional, and your sewing supplies. Now let's welcome Miss Dori.
Hello, my name is Dori Pettis and I'm here with the Master Clothing Volunteers. And today we're going to make this nice needle holder. Buenos días, soy Dori Pettis y ojalá que al ver este video estén en buena salud. Y vamos a hacer ahora para poner las agujas y se dobla así. We're going to need iron-on interfacing, and we're going to need 2 fabrics contrasting. Because see, the needle holder opens up, so you have one color of material here and another color. And also, we're gonna need a piece of matching felt. So that's all we need. Okay, so first, the good idea is to cut the needle holder, the pattern, cut it on the material, right sides together. That way it'll be easier when you sew it. And you can make the nice little curves. And then here, it's very important to make the V-shaped so that as you turn it, it'll open up real nice and crisp. So we're gonna iron the wrong side of the material. And that way we can cut all 3 at the same time and save time. And okay, you iron it on. Then we're gonna cut the 3 of them at the same time. So here we go. Notice that these are all deeper little folds, except that here it's a curve. The one in front, where it's gonna close like this, it's curved. Because you're gonna put the button there or the snap. Okay, so we have everything here. I'm just gonna kind of like, I'm gonna use my friction pen and I'm gonna outline so I can go, straight and nice and curvy. When I iron, these lines, they're gonna erase. So I wanna be very careful, especially here in the little V shape. So I can go follow the line with my machine. Because we're gonna turn it inside out, and then we're gonna clip the V's. Make sure you cross the V's first, and then you leave it open. Back stitch. See right here where the V, I leave the needle down. And I turn it. We're gonna clip when we make the V's, we're gonna clip it so that when we flip it over, it'll stay flat. And if you want, you can cut a little bit so that it won't be too bulky. You can cut a little bit all around. Except here where you're gonna sew it, it's not a good idea to cut. So we can have space to shut it, to sew it shut. And then we cut the little corners here. Okay. Looks like we're ready to flip it over. Now we're gonna iron. So then we're gonna decide whether you want it to use it this way or this way, whichever side you want. Let me just sew this opening shut. Gather a little bit here so that it can, stay in the round shape. So we fold the ends inside and then we try and shape it round. I'm gonna do the blind stitch. You can sew in the very edge. We're gonna so it can flatten up. And turn it again, like that. Now it's starting to get the shape of the heart. And you can decide whether you're gonna put a snap here or you're gonna put Velcro, whatever you have handy. So it's gonna go up here, right in the center. We're gonna center it. Just sew it a little square. Then we fold it. See where it's gonna go. Oh, it's gonna go about right there. So now it's time to put the felt. We're gonna choose what color we want. We can put green or we can put pink. I think I'll put pink. So then we get the little pattern and we're gonna pin it. So then we're gonna pin it and then we're gonna sew from side to side so it can form like a pie, kind of like a pie. These are gonna be the little, like, kind of like little envelopes, and you can stick the needles in there. Or if you have like small little scissors or threads. You can leave it like this. It's ready like this, but if you want to add a little special touch, we're gonna put a yo-yo. See, like this one? This one has two little yo-yos, a big one in the bottom and a small one. And then it has a decorative little button. You can find this in the button sections. And since this one has bees, so I found a button that matched with bees. And I also found the honeycomb material, so. And then I found yellow scissors. Where do you find yellow scissors? So the yo-yo is just a circle, and it's included in the pattern. You just cut a circle, and then you gather up the stitches on the side like this. You gather them up like this, and then you pull the string, and then it forms into like a little flower. And then you put a button in the middle, and then you sew it on. See, it adds a little like a little special touch. The final project, you know, you put little, you can add your scissors and safety pins, you know, for an emergency. And there's another one there that has also little scissors. And there's this other, this contrasting material. This one has stripes. Here's another one right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're in good health. Muchas gracias por ver nuestro video y ojalá que tengan buena salud. Gracias, bye.
Thank you, Ms. Dori, for making this tutorial. If you made this project, please send us a photo on our comments section on Facebook or tag us at #MGBRGBSew. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us and follow us on our Facebook page.